Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the chat icon from your taskbar in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has completely loaded up. You'll want to wait until everything is ready and you can see your desktop clearly before proceeding with any changes. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, right-click on any empty space on your desktop. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, locate and click on Personalize. This option opens your personalization window where you can customize various aspects of your Windows experience. After the personalization window opens, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Taskbar to access your taskbar settings. This section gives you complete control over how your taskbar looks and behaves, including which icons appear on it. Now scroll down through the taskbar settings until you find a section labeled Notification Area. This area manages the icons that appear in the system tray and taskbar. Underneath the Notification Area heading, you'll see an option that says Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Go ahead and click on this option to view all available icons. A list of icons will now appear on your screen showing you everything that can be displayed on your taskbar. Look through this list carefully until you find the chat icon. Once you've located it, you'll notice a toggle button next to it. Simply click on this toggle to turn it off. As soon as you do this, the chat icon will be removed from your taskbar immediately. And that's it. You've successfully removed the chat icon from your Windows 11 taskbar, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.